Namaskar, this is a random guy from VIEH Group and I welcome you to the fresh new episode of Hack News. So let's get started. So today the first news is coming from USA. As we all know, there's a huge tension going around with the US and Russia over the Ukraine and Kazakhstan. American Cybersecurity Intelligence Agency on Tuesday released a joint advisory on how to detect, response, and mitigate cyber attack by Russian state-sponsored hacker. Russian hackers are always active during any cyber attack on America. So now the next news is related to hackers and clouds. Nowadays, hackers are actively incorporating public cloud services from Amazon and Microsoft into their malicious campaign to deliver commodity remote access Trojan, which is called RAT, to siphon sensitive information from compromised system. So now the next news related to a ransomware. So there's a ransomware the name Tell You the Password. It was discovered in 2019, but recently it get reimbursed compiled with Golang. So Golang is basically a language with the name Go. It comes from the house of Google, I guess. So this ransomware recently also found to be associated with Log4shell post exploitation targeting Windows and Linux. So in this scenario, CrowdStrike comes as an angel with a Falcon platform that protects customers from Golang written Tell You the Pass ransomware using the power of machine learning and behavior-based analysis detection. So now the next news is related to the SME. So SME basically means small and mid-sized enterprise. So nowadays SMEs is still an easy target for the cyber criminals. So there's a market directory survey which was revealed that still 51% of SMEs are experiencing a cyber security breach. So according to you, and what can be the reason? So according to us, in the most cases they are not investing in the cyber security stuff. So this can be a reason. So whatever. So next news related to Windows. So this Tuesday, I guess 2 days back, Windows warns about the critical vulnerability which was included in the spotlight in Microsoft Bumpers January update. So if you are not updating your system and if you are Windows user, then update your system as soon as possible. So now the next news related to Apple. So Apple has released security update to address the persistent denial of service dubbed door lock vulnerability that could altogether disable iPhone and iPad running HomeKit on iOS 14.7 and later. So now the next news is related to a survey. So according to survey, the public sector is more concerned about external than internal threats. SolarWinds announced this finding in their public sector cybersecurity survey report. This response includes response from multiple IT operations, security decision makers, include federal, state, local, and education respondents. Now the next story is coming from Iran. So Iran state-sponsored hacking group has been found to be actively exploiting vulnerability in Apache Log4shell to distribute a new modular PowerShell toolkit for nefarious purpose. So the storm of Log4j has not stopped yet. So now that's all for today. So today's question is how SME can enhance their security with very low budget. So comment down your views in the comment section and we'll give a shout out to the best answer next day. So thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.